Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya seperti kerajaan putih macam yang belakang dan darat-darat sudah jadi saya sektor olahraga hanifida saya sektor masyarakat saya sektor aparat saya sektor family. Today we're going to share about coke. Coke is a defense mechanism of the body in the respiratory system. The occurrence of coughing is only a symptom of a disease of the body's reaction to disorders in the respiratory tract by various foreign objects that enter it. Coughing occurs due to certain stimuli. Coughing is an early symptom of influenza and asthma. In addition, coughing is the first way to spread tuberculosis. Coughing can be caused by allergies in the respiratory tract. This allergy can appear to the stimulation from food, use animal hair, or pollen on flowers. Stimuli that cause coughing are generally in the upper part of the respiratory tract. Coughing is divided into acute cough and chronic cough. Good cough is cough that lasts no more than 3 weeks. Most acute cough will heal on their own. Subacute cough is a cough that lasts for 3 to 8 weeks in human being. Chronic cough is a cough that occurs for more than 8 weeks. It most often occurs in smokers. Pulmonary tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease of gastroesophageal reflux disease. Most will recover of less improve significantly within 2 weeks if you have a cough that does not doesn't improve within that time. See a doctor as this may be a symptom of a more serious problem. If additional symptoms develop, contact your doctor as soon as possible. Symptoms to watch out for include hypoxia, brain headache, torsionist, confusion, coughing or upload or the difficulty breathing requires immediate emergency medical attention. In addition, there are several other reasons to see a doctor immediately if you have a cough, including cough-hitting, swelling or loose in the neck, weak, loss, difficulty swallowing, permanent voice change, difficulty breathing, coughs in one type of disease that can be cured using herbs and medicine. Cough can be cured by drinking honey mixed with boiled lime juice. This mixture of honey and lime is strong 3 times until the cough stops. Cough can also be treated by consuming pomegranate, fruit and seed, ginger and turmeric contained in both species. Spices can help reduce cough. It can also be cured by drinking boiled African water. Okay, tignan mo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.